legend returns once again. Sharper, faster, and more advanced than ever before. This is the 2026 BMW M3, a performance icon from BMW that continues to dominate the sports sedan world. Low, wide, and muscular, the 2026 M3 looks more confident than ever. The front features BMW's bold kidney grille, now slightly refined for a cleaner look, paired with sharp LED headlights that give it a modern and focused expression. The sculpted hood, large air intakes, and aerodynamic detailing are not just for style. They are built for performance. Every line on this car serves a purpose. The car sits perfectly on large alloy wheels, giving it a planted and powerful stance. The design clearly shows that this is not just a luxury sedan. This is a machine built for speed. At the rear, the iconic quad exhaust system stands out immediately. The LED taillights are sleek and modern, while the rear diffuser adds a sporty touch. Everything about the design screams performance. Now step inside, and the story continues. The interior of the 2026 BMW M3 is a perfect blend of luxury and motorsport. You are greeted by a large curved digital display that combines the instrument, cluster, and infotainment system into one seamless unit. The latest iDrive system is faster, smoother, and more user-friendly than ever before. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and features the signature red M buttons, allowing you to instantly switch between custom driving modes. It feels sporty, precise, and perfectly designed for control. The seats are designed to hold you firmly during high-speed driving, with optional carbon bucket seats for a more track-focused feel. At the same time, they remain comfortable enough for long journeys. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials like leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Ambient lighting adds a modern and premium atmosphere, especially during night drives. Technology is one of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 model. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, navigation, and over-the-air updates. A premium sound system delivers excellent audio quality, turning every drive into an experience. Now let's talk about what truly defines the M3: performance. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M3 continues to use its powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. This engine is known for its incredible balance of power and precision. The base model produces around 473 horsepower, while the competition version delivers over 500 horsepower. Higher variants with xDrive all-wheel drive push performance even further. Acceleration is extremely quick. The car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3 seconds in the fastest versions. Power delivery is instant, smooth, and incredibly exciting. You have the choice between a 6-speed manual transmission for a pure driving experience or an 8-speed automatic transmission for faster and more efficient performance. This choice is rare in modern performance cars, making the M3 even more special. Driving the 2026 M3 is all about control and confidence. The adaptive suspension allows you to switch between comfort and sport modes, making the car suitable for both daily driving and aggressive performance. The chassis is perfectly balanced, giving you precise handling and excellent cornering ability. Whether you're driving on city roads or pushing the car on a track, the M3 feels stable and responsive. BMW also offers its xDrive all-wheel drive system, providing maximum grip and stability in all conditions. At the same time, rear-wheel drive models continue to deliver that classic fun driving feel that enthusiasts love. Braking performance is equally impressive. The car is equipped with high-performance brakes that provide strong and reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. Safety features are also improved in the 2026 model. The car includes advanced systems like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and parking assist. These features make the car safer and easier to drive every day. Despite being a high-performance machine, the M3 remains practical. It has 4 doors, a spacious interior, and a usable trunk, making it suitable for everyday use. Fuel efficiency is decent for a car in this segment, but performance is clearly the main focus. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 BMW M3 is expected to start at around $80,000. Higher trims, including the competition and X-Drive versions, can go well above $100,000, depending on the options you choose. But for what it offers, the price makes sense. Because this is not just a car. This is one of the most complete performance sedans in the world. It offers speed, power, luxury, technology, and everyday usability all in one package. In a time when many cars are moving towards electric power, the M3 continues to deliver that raw petrol performance that driving enthusiasts truly love. The sound of the engine, the feel of the steering, the connection between driver and machine. It's all still here. And that's what makes the 2026 BMW M3 so special. It's not just about numbers or features, it's about emotion. It's about the thrill of driving. And it proves that even in the modern world, true performance cars are still alive. The Banshee 2026 BMW M3 is not just an update. It's a statement. A statement that the legend continues.